Hello, what's up guys? Today I want to talk about simulation and what company use the simulation tools in order to manage their product and company. And if you want know further, you must watch up and listen up this video. Enjoy the video.
Simulation provide information about how a process may perform over time by using hypothetical and simulated data. Okay, why the simulation is very important of process analysis? The first function is simulation can determine the setting in the inventory system. For example, it also to apply simulation in the design of inventory control based on managing beginning inventory. Second, simulation also can evaluate economy and financial system. For example, simulation are technically consistent and reliable as they follow the best practices and the business rationale of successful enterprises from different industries. Third, simulation create a way to evaluate a solution. The factors become decision variables and the responses are used to model an objective function and constraint. And goal experimental design is to find out which factors have the greatest effect on a response. So I think simulation is the best way for the organization to create and to solve their problem. Usually, the big company or the big organization can use tool simulation so that the inventory and the safety stock can determine about their missing.
The third mode of simulation are industrial engineering and value engineering. Value engineering refers to the design and construction step for a new product. Use the same technique and principles such as concept development, design and prototype. Industry engineering is simulation in the manufacturing system. Use the software to model the computer of the manufacturing system so that they can analyze and obtain important information. Industry engineering and value engineering ensure a product is fit for manufacturing and end user. IV and VE to simulate manufacturing environments such as production lines, automation solution, logistic operation, and other manufacturing process throughout the scale-to-scale cycle. IV and VE simulation can model various parameters in process, including take time, yard volume, head count, layout, and more. This allows the industrial engineer and process engineer to optimize layout, improve productivity, reduce lead time, reduce work in progress, and increase the volume. For example, JJS Manufacturing use the value engineering approach to reduce costs while at the same time maintain or even improving the functionality of their product.
Gionic MSc Sdn Bhd is an MSc status and a multi-award-winning simulator company, pioneer and developer of vehicle driving simulator system in Malaysia. Gionic, under the trademark Simulation, carries out full range of system development, customized and commercialized land-based simulators and 3D virtual reality solutions for various customers, both for defense and civilian use. Since 2002, over 14,000 drivers have used our simulators to learn driving. Furthermore, Gionic allows drivers to experience dangerous situations from controlled learning environments. In this way, the driver is able to learn from repeated exposure to this situation in normal route or everywhere and get better response in real life. Gionic's simulators are very easy to use, convenient and economic. Also, it can help the drivers to reduce the training time, cost, and the risk. This simulator assumes the driver able to train in normal road, cross-country jungle, 4x4 and so on. Gionic's customers among others are Malaysian Army, Malaysian Police, MARA, Rapid KL, Rapid Penang, Rapid Kuantan, Macy's, UEM, Murphy Oil, Hospital, and several public driving schools.
To explain finite element analysis, or called as FEA. What is FEA and its purpose? FEA is a computerized method for predicting how a product reacts to real-world forces, vibration, heat, and other physical effects. FEA shows whether a product will break, wear out, or work the way it was designed. Therefore, I will give example situation needed to use FEA analysis in test crash automotive industry. FEA is to ensure a product can handle various types of stress. FEA is used to optimize the design of parts, to improve the design and avoid possible failure. Also, FEA is now used to solve design problems in mechanical and other engineering fields like aerospace and defense. Safety is one of the design considerations in automobile community. Therefore, crash test is an important step to validate the novel car design. However, high costs in experimental testing limit the number of crash tests and adequate data might not be obtained consequently. Alternatively, numerical modeling and simulation have been widely used to study car crash in addition to experimental testing. As a powerful numerical tool, FEA play a vital role in crash test simulation. Therefore, these car models are perfect example to how FEA model can be used for real-world application. The numerical modeling and simulation of car crash have been carried on in automobile company for years. FEA can generate realistic results that help scientists and engineers understand the way that cars are affected by different crash scenarios. Instead of running real-life situation, it is much more cost-effective to simulate car crash using a commercial software such as ANSYS. With the development of commercial software, it is imperative that engineers continue to use computers to simulate real-life scenarios, estimate the outcome, and develop new technology to help save lives in the event of car crashes.
Thank you for watching our video, and we hope you guys like it, and just click the button like, subscribe and share. Thank you. See you soon.